In today's video, I'll show you how to delete DNS records in Cloudflare so you can remove unwanted settings and keep your domain configuration clean. If you're new to DNS management, DNS records control how your domain connects to websites, email services, and other online tools. Removing an incorrect or unused record can help prevent conflicts and keep your setup organized. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the domain where you want to remove a DNS record. Next, open the DNS section from the menu. Here, you'll see a complete list of records currently connected to your domain. Now find the DNS record you want to delete. Make sure you select the correct record before removing it, because deleting an active record can affect your website or other services. Once you locate the record, click the Delete option next to it. Cloudflare may ask you to confirm the action before permanently removing the record. Review the details one more time, then confirm the deletion. The record will be removed from your DNS configuration. After deleting the record, wait for the changes to update. DNS changes may take some time before they are reflected everywhere. Once the update is complete, check your website or connected service to make sure everything is working as expected. Before deleting important DNS records, it's always a good idea to save a copy of your current settings. This allows you to restore the configuration if needed. And that's how you delete DNS records in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.